Welcome to my room, and this is my art room.
Oh my god, that's gorgeous. So many supplies.
Okay, so this is the monitor that is provided to me by Microsoft. So
That's
this
so
is the
pretty.
favorite part of the house. Okay, so bonjour madame.
Bonjour.
Je m'appelle Vartika, comment allez-vous? I'm a software engineer at Microsoft.
What was the first coding project that you made?
Okay, so I'm a big Sudoku solver. When I learned backtracking, तो तब मैंने सोचा कि why not build an application for it. So I built a React application for it, and मेरे को वो इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैंने newspaper को ditch ही कर दिया.
What does your ideal workday at Microsoft look like?
AI has partially taken our jobs.
Good
Tanya
job.
Pandey, I love you.
Okay. All right. Moving on to our next section. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to episode 4 of GFG's House Invasion series. I'm your host / invader for today, Nishita Rai. Now let's go and see who we're about to meet today. Hi!
Welcome.
This is a home invasion. So before we begin with anything, could you maybe give us your name?
So my name is Vartika Jain.
And you're working for?
Microsoft.
But before anything, could you maybe show us your home?
Yeah, sure. So
All right.
This is the living area / drawing room. And we can walk over here. And this is the dining area.
Pretty concise, neat.
This is my room. Welcome to my room.
So that's how the room of somebody who's very studious looks like.
I'm not that studious.
Oh, and I see you're a fan of Joker. You draw?
Yes.
my
These
God.
are all my paintings.
So this is pretty beautiful. Any more rooms you have for us, maybe?
Yeah, so there's just one art room that is just for me.
Oh my god, that sounds nice. It's been a while since we met somebody who's that artistic.
I made this. I made that. I made these. And I made this also.
Okay, so we have a lot of art while we're on the way to the art room.
And this is my art room.
Oh my god, that's gorgeous. So many supplies. Let's see your tech gadgets.
Okay, so this is the monitor that is provided to me by Microsoft. And this is my Microsoft laptop. This is my iPad. These are the headphones I just bought. This is my Bluetooth speaker, some AirPods, and a watch, an Apple Watch. And this is my personal gaming laptop. So I used to do gaming, but
Oh my god,
I don't
favorite
enough.
game?
It's Call of Duty.
COD. Understandable. Now, of all of this, what's your favorite part of the house?
So it's actually upstairs. Do you want to check it out?
Definitely, let's go.
So
That's
this
so
is the
pretty.
favorite part of the house.
I can see
It's
why.
actually not a part of the house, but you don't see stuff like this in Delhi. It's like my
Yeah.
own Sundar nursery.
Okay, let's move on to some technical questions while we admire the view alongside. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Could you maybe introduce your job to them?
So I'm a software engineer at Microsoft, and I'm working there since July 2023. And I also interned in the same office only, Microsoft Noida.
Pehle, let's go back to your college. So you studied from IGDTUW, right? So if you were in first year again, what's like the one thing you would definitely keep in mind? Or what's like one advice you'd give to freshers right now?
Actually, enjoy your college life because I didn't have any because I was part of the COVID batch. The time I went to college, I was a day scholar. So there was no hostel life, no college life. So please, guys, enjoy more.
Now you mentioned you're an SD, right? So did you always want to be an engineer? Like ever since you were young?
Actually, no, I wanted to be an artist. And but then I realized that my art depends on my mood, entirely on my mood. So engineering sounded like a safer bet. But debugging code is kind of an art, right? If you
Yeah.
stare at it long enough, it starts to make sense.
You can see air bubbles right there. Art. But yeah, it does make sense. Now, we saw that you have an Air 1 in National French Olympiad. Now, my French isn't as good. It's like Duolingo level. But could you maybe say anything to us in French?
Okay, so bonjour madame.
Bonjour.
Je m'appelle Vartika, comment allez-vous?
Comment ça va? Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Yeah, I suck. Back to coding because this is definitely not my forte. What was the first coding project that you make and how did it go?
Okay, so I'm a big Sudoku solver. So every time the Delhi Times has that page, I solve it daily. So,
Like this.
Yeah. So when I learned backtracking, तो तब मैंने सोचा कि why not build an application for it. So I built a React application for it and मेरे को वो इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैंने न्यूज़पेपर को डिच ही कर दिया और मैं अपने ऐप पे ही करती थी फिर उसके बाद सॉल्व.
Oh my god, that's pretty like smart. Like you're making an application for something that you're using lifetime में.
Yeah.
Now, coming to the next question, we stalked your LinkedIn a bit, obviously, and we saw कि आपने काफी hackathons में part लिए and you even won one of them, right? So, could you tell us about that experience when you won the hackathon?
So actually, the hackathon which I won was my first hackathon in which I participated. So that was organized by JP Morgan and Chase. It was like we had to build a project for an NGO. So there were around 100 teams and 11 of them won. So it was a 24-hour hackathon and we were divided in teams. People we didn't know. Yeah, so it was pretty amazing. Like unknown लोगों के साथ काम कैसे करते हैं ये सब बहुत मज़ा आया था.
Okay, now since evidently आप SD ही हैं, तो आप coding करते होगे, right? So आपने कितने hours dedicate किए थे coding को when you were in college and how were you consistent with it?
I think too many hours. Because मेरे को मज़ा आता था DSA करने में तो staying consistent was not a problem for me. So I think मैं 4-5 questions तो daily करती थी and I think that was it.
What was your daily timetable like when you were preparing for internships and placements?
During my internship season, there was like 1 month prior, there was this program called Microsoft Engage, in which I was not selected. पता नहीं क्या हो गया उसके बाद मेरे में I did some 250 questions on Geeks for Geeks in a month.
Damn! GFG gets you placements, guys. Anyway, so 250 questions, that's a lot.
Yeah, so I was crazy at that time. Like it was pretty intense. So then, and during my placement season, I was interning at Microsoft. So I had to do the intern task during the day, and I used to do DSA on the side in the night. Yeah, so it was also pretty hectic, but it worked out in the end.
So for our next section, which is about careers and internships, सबसे पहले we'll ask a very commonly asked question, which is, can you walk us through your resume? Like, what projects or achievements helped you stand out?
Yeah, so my resume was a single word page document. It was very minimal, but I highlighted the keywords there. So I had a few achievements, one of which was Flipkart's Girls Wanna Code program. So I joined the 200 students nationwide. And it was kind of a mentorship program. The second one was JPMC Code for Good hackathon. And I had good ranks in Code Jam and Kickstart. I used to give them regularly. And good CGPA throughout college.
So basically, a perfect student from starting to end, all achievements, all.
Some projects related to machine learning and web development as well.
So ML and web dev, that was your
Yes.
forte.
Yes. And the Microsoft internship experience, that was the cherry on top. Recruiters को इतना time नहीं होता है आपके पूरे अगर आपने 2 page का बना रखा है उसको देखने के लिए. So just keep it a 1 pager.
Now, about your internship at Microsoft that you mentioned, being the cherry on top of your resume, आपने उसके लिए क्या specific preparation की थी to get it?
Nothing specific, like I did DSA questions, I was very consistent, and CS fundamentals like OOPS, DBMS, operating system and networking, and we used to do peer coding in college.
Oh, okay.
Gave some mock interviews which my seniors conducted.
So
That is
basically
how-
thoroughly prepared for placements in general.
Yeah.
Now that you've done an internship, आपको PPO कैसे मिली?
Okay, so my PPO, like my internship experience was pretty intense. I had to build a full stack project, like which involved 4 technologies, and all of which were new to me. So it was like a crash course because उसे 8 हफ्तों में complete करना था. And after my project was done, I had 2 rounds of interviews. One was DSA, and the other one was project discussion and CS fundamentals. Preparing for both and working on the side was like pretty hectic, but I had a good support of my family, so like it was good.
So now in your art room, which is the best, we'll ask you थोड़े से questions about your work-life balance and career insights, right? So सबसे पहले जो आपको पहली salary आपकी मिली थी, which is always very special, where did you spend it, and were there any fun splurges and special memories that you have with it?
So actually, I donated a significant amount in a cow shelter because I love them, and I bought gifts for my near and dear ones, and rest I saved for a Europe trip, which I did recently.
Oh, Europe trip, that's pretty cool. So you're a travel junkie?
Yeah, like this year, I think I can make it as a career option too.
Oh wow. Okay, so please check out Vartika ke travel vlogs. That might be coming up very soon. What does your ideal workday at Microsoft look like?
My cab comes at 7:30. ऐसा लगता है कि मैं स्कूल के लिए रेडी हो रही हूँ. But
That's very early.
yeah, so I reach at 9. The commute is 1.5 hours. And then we have breakfast in office. And then we check our mails, do some work, and have some meetings in the first half. Then we go for lunch in the office only, and some walks after it. कुछ लोग उसके बाद TT वगैरह खेलने चले जाते हैं, TT, pool, foosball, anything. And then we come back, do some work, have some chai breaks, we wrap up, then we get home.
How do you manage like work-life balance while working at such a demanding job? Because we all know काम तो बहुत है.
Yeah, so on the weekdays, I regularly meet my friends like on a daily basis. And मम्मी पापा के साथ भी time spend करती हूँ मैं 1 to 2 hours every day. And on the weekends, like weekends are for me. I recharge myself fully, and some days I go to the cow shelter, and I travel a lot. And पेंटिंग से मेरे को बहुत रिलैक्सेशन मिलती है. So
Like we saw, you're very good at it.
yeah, so that is something जो मतलब मेरा टाइम है वो. तो आई लव इट.
How much time do you spend coding versus attending meetings in the office?
Okay, so at my level there are not much meetings. Like fixed meetings are 1 to 2 hours, and then we have ad hoc or impromptu discussions like on any discussions that are happening on code reviews or something like that, or if I have some doubt. Most of my time is spent on coding only.
Do you think AI will eventually replace software engineers? Why or why not?
Okay, so AI has to master the art of debugging at 3 a.m.
Oh my god.
But on a serious note, like AI has partially taken our jobs. It can do some repetitive work and some trivial tasks, like it can write UTs, it can do PR reviews. But I think for complex problem solving, understanding user needs, and debugging complex code, AI is far behind now. And we need software engineers for that. So I don't think that software engineers are in a immediate danger of getting replaced.
Yeah, that does make sense because they do say that AI won't replace you, a person using AI will.
Yeah.
So definitely learn how to use AI to your benefit. Okay, now talking about tech stack and learning, आप कौन सी programming language use करते हो work में अभी?
Okay, so I use TypeScript and C#.
And like आप college time में कौन सी use करते थे?
College में I learned Java, and in my 12th class, like 11th and 12th, I did C++.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So C++ या Java?
Java.
Okay.
Because there are no pointers.
I've never heard many people go for Java. They do say it's way tougher to grasp.
But I find it like I have done so much coding in Java. I find it easy.
Now, what's the most underrated skill that helped you in your tech career, which is not acknowledged as much?
Okay, so I'm very non-hesitant in asking questions. मतलब मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ता कि सामने वाला मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहा है. If I ask doubts, so I think that is something कि जो अपना career start कर रहा है या early stages में है, ये skill बहुत हेल्प करता है ग्रो करने के लिए. लाइक आपका लर्निंग कर्व एकदम ऊपर हो जाता है इसकी वजह से.
आप अपस्किल कैसे करते हो? लाइक एक ऑनलाइन कोर्स बुक या यूट्यूब चैनल जिसने हेल्प किया हो आपको कोडिंग मास्टर करने में?
Okay, so I would say Geeks for Geeks.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, I did a lot of questions on Geeks for Geeks. Like it helped me in placements and internships like very much.
आपकी इस जर्नी में काफ़ी आपके सपोर्ट सिस्टम्स रहे होंगे जिन्होंने आपकी हेल्प की है. तो आपके पेरेंट्स और फ्रेंड्स का बेसिकली क्या रोल था इन वेयर यू आर टुडे?
एक्चुअली काफ़ी बड़ा रोल था. मैं नहीं बन पाती अगर वो नहीं होते कुछ भी. बिकॉज if I have a bad day, मेरी शक्ल पे दिख जाता है. And they also get to know कि वर्तिका का आज बुरा दिन गया है. And they make the baddest jokes to make me laugh. Yeah, so उनका incredible support system रहा है मेरे पास. And I would say कि like find those people in college जो आपको grow करना देखना चाहते हैं. So that is my one advice.
Okay, so now on to a fun round so that we get to have thoda sa fun, enough of tech. So you have to name 15 DSA related topics in 12 seconds and your time starts now.
Okay, array, stack, queue, linked list, hash map, heap, dynamic programming, graph, DFS.
And your time's up. But that's a lot and that's very understandable. You just went to DFS, BFS. So, if you weren't a software engineer, what career would you like to choose?
I would be an artist.
I think we covered that throughout the video. Nobody will ask why. What's the last thing you binge watched and you can't stop talking about?
I am watching Modern Family and I've watched it thrice. Like I can't stop watching it.
Brings me to my next question, which is very hard to guess. What is your favorite sitcom?
Modern Family.
Favorite character in Modern Family?
Alex.
What's your dream travel destination that you've been dying to visit?
So I actually visited my dream destination this year. It was Switzerland. And
I've heard it's very pretty.
it is really beautiful. And I would like to visit it in winters as well. I went in summers.
What's your ultimate comfort food that makes everything better?
Kadhi chawal.
What's your secret talent that only the people who really love you know about?
Okay, my brother is gonna kill me for this, but I help my brother talk to girls.
I think you deserve a very big thank you for that. Anybody you would like to give a shout out to who you think helped majorly with your journey? Just naam chila do randomly. We'll just go like good
Sanya
job.
Pandey, I love you.
Okay. All right. Moving on to our next section, which is personal goals and future plans. सबसे पहले अभी New Year आ रहा है, right? So you must have some resolutions for that. तो आपके personal growth और career advancement के लिए क्या resolutions हैं?
So for personal growth, I would say I will travel a lot more this year than last year. And I would focus on my health, mental health and physical health more.
Career advancement के लिए कुछ?
Yeah, so I would want to keep learning and growing as I am right now and like do my best.
What career milestones are you aiming for in the next 5 years?
So I want to get to that level so that I can mentor people to grow more and do more impactful projects. And I aspire to become my leaders or maybe a proportion of them at least.
Should we move on to our final question?
Okay, so throwback to the New Year resolution, I want to adopt a cow as well.
Okay, so the last question for all of our viewers and friends watching this. Is there any final advice you have for students dreaming of working at top companies like Microsoft?
Yeah, so I would say that don't put too much pressure on yourself by running after the tags or names of the company. Any company which has a good culture and in which you are growing and you have a good supportive manager, it is a dream company. So like be positive. If not here, you will get somewhere if you are consistent and determined.
This is something I personally agree with also. Just looking at the salary or maybe the company name will hinder your growth a lot. So just do your best.
Yeah.
Land anywhere you think you can grow and you will be amazing. Thank you so much, Vartika, for having us. It was amazing invading your home. See you later.